Hey guys, sorry I haven't been posting a lot. I've been busy at school, had a lot of projects to do, but spring break is coming in 2 weeks, so yeah. I promised to do more videos this week, since I haven't been able to do a lot of them. So now I'll mostly be doing mostly vlogs and stuff. So I'll probably not really do video game videos that much, since they take a lot of time to edit than my vlog videos. So yeah, I'll be doing more vlog videos. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, bye guys.